In today's video, I am going to teach you how to allow pop-ups in Google Chrome 2021. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You will see the 3 vertical dots. Click on those dots to open the main Chrome menu. From that menu, click Settings. On the Settings page, look to the left-hand side and select Privacy and Security. After that, click on Site Settings. Now scroll down until you find pop-ups and redirects, then click on it. Under the section labeled Default Behavior, choose the option that says Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. Once you select that option, Chrome will allow pop-ups and redirects by default across websites. Keep in mind that allowing pop-ups universally can be useful if you regularly use trusted websites that depend on them. At the same time, pop-ups can sometimes be distracting or unsafe on unfamiliar sites, so it is a good idea to be mindful of the pages you visit. If needed, you can always return to this same setting later and switch it back. That covers everything you need to know.